If you have any website and you sell any product and you wanna receive payment from user through online credit card, then you can easily receive. The user will click on his checkout and will come on this secure page. He will give his card detail and will come back again on your website after paying. So today you will learn of receiving online payment. For that, watch my complete video. Welcome to Hustech and welcome to my another video. Today in my video, I will tell you that how you can receive payment online or through credit card if you want in your website. As if you have e-commerce website, so you can receive payment for it. Stripe is a very famous payment gateway for this purpose, which plays mid role for receiving online payment. It works as a merchant account, so you can connect it along with your website and can receive online payment. Stripe have recently upgraded its method to checkout, so we will learn to latest way today. Stripe used to open a pop-up box in the old method and the user had to add his credit card details over there. Now Stripe has upgraded it. Now user pays by using its built-in form on website of Stripe. There is its complete documentation of before and after. This form was used in the past, but now this code is used. So I will tell you about this code in detail. First of all, I practically show you that in that was its usage before. I can also be used now. There is no issue in it. For instance, it is your card and you have to receive $99 from user. So when the user used to click on pay, this pop-up box opened. Let's fill it and see its process. It is the dummy card of Stripe. Add any future expiry and CVV code. When we will click on pay, on the next port, message of success on the process can be seen. Now let's view its new way. That's how it's work. Then we will learn its way of making. Now if you want to receive $49 from the user, when the user will click on checkout, then user will move on to his checkout page of the Stripe. Name of the product and payment detail is also obvious with it. Now user can pay by giving his detail of card. Let's quickly fill the form. So when you will click on pay, the user will come back again on the website and success message will be appear. Then we can see it into moving by dashboard that both the payments are obvious in Stripe. So let's see that how it can be designed. This documentation is also present. You can use the code from here. Stripe has also given another much fast way. So let's have a look on it. When you will go to the products by going into dashboard, so we added this product. Let's click on new. Let me tell you this before. If you have created your account first time, so go to the settings, then go to the checkout setting. So enable it from here. It does not enable by default. Now again go to the product and add new. Now it is asking that is it one-time payment or any subscription. Subscription mean any monthly or annually payment the user has to pay. So today we will see one time. Write product name here. Then give its amount. Its image is optional. If you will add, it will appear on checkout page. Save it. After it, you can add its SKU also. Now we will click on use with checkout. So now it is asking to add URL of cancel and success. Means when the user has completed payment, so he will go to the URL of success. But if the payment is incomplete, he will use the URL of cancel. You can give the URL of your website or your local host. Now Stripe has generated the complete code. I tell you about this code. First of all, he have added JS library. After this, here is the code of button on which the user click in order to go to the checkout. Then he added publishable key. After that, he has added this SKU product which we have made. And here is the URL of success and cancel which we had given. Let's copy this code and create a new file of HTML and name it as index.html and paste the code here. Now when I refresh the page, so you can see a button here. Let's write some text along with this button. You can also design it like this as I had told in demo. Stripe gives only this button. You can do rest of the designing by yourself. After this, we create two files of success and cancel which we have given in Stripe. So I quickly create two files. You can also create it according to your own choice. Now when you will click on checkout, so you will come to that previous checkout page. Price and product name is also appearing and the user is back on the website of Stripe. We quickly fill details. After that, when we will click on pay, so it will come on the page of success. Now let's see by going into the payment. So the payment is here. Its detail can be seen also. Some incomplete payments are also here. If the user does not fully pay, I give you quick view of code. Firstly is JS file of Stripe is add. After this, there is the code of button where the user moves to the checkout page by clicking. Then here is the publishable key which you can see in API in the panel of Stripe. After that, there is SKU which we had added the product. Then you can see the URL of success and cancel. So it is much simple code. If you don't understand, then ask in comments. It was our video for today in which I made you learn receiving payment of online credit card through Stripe. I like this method also for Stripe pay users by going on its Stripe website with the user trust increase and he does not fear of leaking his credit card info. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.